H. Ang effort ha. Ikaw.
Tell me his name, I want to know the way he looks and where you lose and where you well, I'm here all alone, remembering when I was your own. I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I found. Hold on.
Hi, Spencer. Parang ikaw, hindi naman. Spencer.
Yo.
Long time no see, long time no see. Grabe lang.
Kaka-live lang.
Ah, Ganun ba? Yawa lang yan. Dami naman. Uy!
Ngayon lang.
Times 3 agad! Grabe naman yan! Times 3 agad, guys. Aray ko, Ilmo, nag-one roast ka. Times 3, guys. Silencio. Ilmo, wait mo na lang yung ano kaya, bonus mission. Mamaya na. Dami no, dahil sikat yan siya, guys. Kasi Spence. Aray ko! Binog mo agad. Ano ba yan? Grabe guys, Shinichi, we have first gift times 2. Ay, times 3 pala. Oh, Shinichi. Pag may ganun,
But if you make sure
ganun Elmo, pag first gift, nakalagay dito, tignan mo, nababasa mo ba, yung first gift times 3, wag ka mag-drop ng rose. Okay? Wag ka mag-drop ng rose. Hello, Charlie Kwon. Good morning guys. Wait na lang natin yung bonus mission, okay? Wait natin yung bonus mission. Wait lang, ano ba? Ayan. Wait natin. Achieve natin to guys. Bonus mission. Sorry ko. Sinichi, wait lang. Ay, times 2 lang kasi. Sadya. Diyan. Times 2 lang. Lakas niyan si Spence. Anong drop ko? Blacks? Drop mo ko nga. Tap, ano ba? Pagpindot-pindot ka lang dyan. Andito sa gallery ko, ito. Whale diving, pwede rin. Saan ba to? Guys, one rose lang guys. One rose lang. Guys, one rose. One rose guys. Guys, we have times to guys. We have times to. Elmo, Shinichi, let's go. Kaya natin to guys. Laban Pilipinas sa atin ng Miss Philippines guys. Let's go. Okay. Whale diving mas okay. Whale diving. Times 2 yan. Grabe, lakas talaga ni Spence. Walang makakatalo. Mas okay, whale diving. Let's go. Times 2 guys. Times 2. Let's go. Ay, 20 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Elmo. Let's go. Ano pa to? Let's go. Galaxy. Let's go. Hey, darang dinabot ah. Grab Galaxy. Grab. Booster. May booster ka dyan. Drop mo na Elmo. Booster. Drop mo na booster. Wait lang. Drop mo na booster ah. Elmo ah. May booster ka. Check mo daw Elmo. Yan! Ay, paano hammer yan? Hindi yan booster. Hindi yan booster. Hindi yan booster. Hindi yan booster. Sayang, wait lang. Mature. Wait lang. May booster ka ba? Wait. Wala ba? Paano ba to? Paano ba to? Guys, anyone, kung may booster kayo, guys. Wait lang, try natin dito sa isang na may booster. Wait lang. Di ba nanalo tayo kanina? Dapat may booster na yun. Wait. Isang ano lang to. Wait. 8, 9, 10, 11. Paano ba to? Jet. Wait lang. Nahanap ko pa eh. Yay, may booster kasi! Ano ba yan? Spence, wag na mag-booster! Kawawa naman kami! Namin lakas! Kaya ba? Hindi kaya. Lakas! Oh my God! Sabi, lakas! Trying jet pang dirinap, atay. Spence, you're so strong. You're very strong. Thank you so much, Spence. Thank you.
Next time na lang, boss.
Oh, next time na lang. Bawi kami next time.
Sige. Take care.
Take care po. Paano ba to?
May Scotty!